Hi, this is the REALME C53 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open first the box. What I got here, this is the USB Type-C cable, the charger brick, the original one with all of this box. And also I got here in the paper box was the quick start guide, safety guide, and the warranty card, and the SIM jack tool, the silicone one. And also we got here, the SIM jack tool we got here, and the protective case. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.